may property ka ba sa Rockwell? Ikaw ba ang nagmamay-ari ng Unit 46-C Rizal Tower Building located at Rockwell, Barangay Poblacion, Makati City?
Opo.
Sa'yo yun?
Opo.
Yung 46-C.
Hanggang 2012 po, nabenta ko na ho yun. Wala na ako.
2012. Anong month yun nabinta?
Hindi ho ako sigurado sa month, pero yung year naalala ko.
So, your pre-ops is 2012, Your Honor. 2012.
Yes, sir.
2012.
2012.
So, bininta mo na after 2012.
Binenta ko po siya noong 2012. Yun lang po ang naalala ko.
Okay. But then you admit na you are the owner and at the same time the occupant of such unit, yung Unit 46, the C.
Opo.
2012, bininta mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your pre-ops was 2012.
2012, Your Honor.
2012.
March 11.
Okay. Thank you. Ma'am, pwede bang makahingi ka ng kopya ng deed of sale nung unit na bininta mo?
Opo.
Ha? Kung meron kayong
Hanapin ko po.
hanapin mo. Thank you. Ito rin ma'am, may napabalita in 2011, two former household workers who lodged a complaint of serious physical injury against Maricel Soriano stated that they decided to flee from the actress condominium unit also because of her alleged cocaine use. Ano pong masasabi mo dito sa balita na ito?
Hindi po totoo yan.
Hindi totoo.
Hindi po.
Thank you. I just want to get your answer para to set the record straight.
Yes po.
So hindi totoo yun.
Hindi po.
Pero totoo na meron kayong dalawang natulong sa bahay na dalawa na umalis,
Opo, kasi ninakawan po nila ako.
ninakawan kanila.
Opo.
Totoo na binugbog mo sila o hindi?
Paano ko naman po bububugin? Dalawa po sila.
Okay. I'm just confirming the report, the news report. Thank you po ma'am. Maraming salamat for your
Salamat
cooperation. So far, that will be all as far as this committee is concerned. Yung confirmation mo lang as to the ownership and occupancy of that unit in the year 2012 when that pre-ops was initiated by Agent Morales. Maraming salamat sa pag-attend mo dito. Thank you very much. Kahit na hindi mukhang wala ka sa magandang condition, you try to be here. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Pwede ka lang magpahinga.